couple plus. So what we're supposed to do here is to done for fitting what I do. I take calculations, yeah, and those vary. I give the quantum neural network, and I create a neural network specifically for one, and a difference between yes, set ID, and then I will, well, this was implemented into the, so basically my file of weights and biases, which is very small.
Hi. Hello.
It's around 7 kilobytes per
Hello, can you
Hello.
hear me?
just from the page.
Hello. Hi. Hello.
Your internet is not stable.
Hello.
Yes.
Can
Yes,
you
I
hear
think
me?
there's
Hello.
Yes, we got you.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear you now. How are you,
the
Kumar?
new potential couple class was you
Hello.
can
Hello. I can hear you.
mimic the structure.
Yes, hello. 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 Hi. Hello. Yes, hi. How are you?